Hi, have a good day. I'm TC Manorina and I'm 42 years old and I have two kids, one boy and one girl. I have work experience in Singapore, Malaysia and Hong Kong. My work experience in Malaysia is 2 years. Uh, and my main duties there is to take care the three kids age 12 and 6 and 4. Cooking, fetching the kids from school, and they do the cleaning and so on. And also my experience in Singapore is to take care the three children. Also have the two girl twins, age 11, and the 1 year old baby. And also do the cooking, fetching kids from school, and do the gardening, car washing, and also have the one dog to take care. In my work experience also in Hong Kong is take care the one newborn baby and take care also one dog, do the cooking, marketing, car wash, and the other household work, sir, ma'am. Thank you. I hope you hire me because I'm so hardworking and I'm willing to learn.